Come on.
Okay.
Wow! There's a lot of presents.
Where are your pants?
I don't know. She just went potty. Wow! What's that? Is that a sled? That's a sled, Jenna.
Me.
Yeah, look, you got boots too.
Santa gave me some boots. Pink.
Oh, should we do your stocking first? Look at your stocking, Jenna. Right here.
Wow. A new
It's an ornament. You want to go hang it on the tree?
Uh-huh.
Come show me. Hold on. Wow, princess ornament.
It's not black.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
What else is in your stocking?
Let me see.
Sit.
Wow.
Hold on, not too close. I'm trying to show the camera. We're going to show this to Mimi and Pups. Wow.
Look at Andrew. Andrew, look at it. Look, guys.
No shampoos. For me, Andrew.
Yeah.
This one's for Andrew and this
Now
one's
this is a Tangle tamer. I think he got some stuff too. Look at it. Wow. Look, Andrew got, no, that's Mommy's. Go to yours. Look at Andrew got a toothbrush. Look at it.
Look what I get.
Ooh, undies. Bella.
Tinkerbell.
Wow.
Okay, no.
Okay, I see him.
Okay, stop, please. No, Andrew.
I'm Mother's Girl.
Andrew, come here.
Wow.
Those are so pretty.
Andrew, that's glass. That's
No.
Andrew.
Andrew, come look at your stocking. Look at Andrew. Look at. Look. You got a sippy cup. Come in this way. Look at your stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Oh, move. Come
Look
here.
at all those lipsticks.
I love it.
Look at.
Come on.
What? Oh, he's trying to eat it. Wow, look at more sippy cups.
Wow.
Look, Andrew got soap. You guys got two now.
Wow.
Wow, look at it.
Wow, hand sanitizers.
For me and Andrew.
Yeah, for you.
They're both for me.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Andrew's stuff.
Wow.
He got a toothbrush.
Look my stuff, Mommy.
Andrew,
No, let me see.
Look it.
bye.
Wow, I have pink.
Yeah, do you have anything else in your stocking?
Let me check.
Say Merry Christmas, Mimi and Pops.
Merry Christmas, Mimi and Pops.
Okay.
No.
Okay, hold on.